don't know it like myself. I say self-made, meaning I design myself. County.
Alright, so this is the kit I got. So I got it from Scooter Trash Garage, and then he was selling this kit on Instagram, so I just hopped on it. Showed everything, some wiring harness, got some air lines, got some Teflon tape. This we got a power source connectors. What else we got? Oh, nice. This is good. Got some of this connectors. V-air single nose. Okay. Got some of this. Comes with this. Let's see. Got a solenoid valve, electric actuator. Okay, got one. Okay, stop. And like this is the airbag shop. Nice. Let's put that there. Got more fittings. Hey, don't bite that. Okay. And then, hey, Rosie. This is the compressor. Nicely sealed. V-air. Let's see what else. Ooh, getting some stickers. What are you doing? Stop. No, don't bite that. It's gonna leak. No. Rosie, no. No. And then this. Registration. And lights. Let's see what else we got. Some bolts, zip ties, and custom made brackets. Everything is nicely sealed. Awesome. Stop it. Okay. Alright, so I got the fairings off. Okay, so the next step is I gotta relocate my battery because I have the 2014 model. This has to go push back here because this is the stock shock right here, and the stock shock goes right. The new shock goes right here. So I gotta remove this bolt, and then that bolt. Wish it would move it. One hand. Alright, so this is my setup. I got a 14 on the left and I think an 18 on the right. Just enough to break it. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. Alright, so I got the other washer off, or the bolt. Now I'm just gonna remove this long ass nut. And then I'm gonna jack it up and remove the shock. Look at that. So this is the custom bracket I got with the kit. It looks pretty straightforward. This guy sold it to me. It was like $800, but it's pretty good. Saves me a lot of work and guessing and shit. So let's put this and that. Let's fit it. All right. So after fiddling around a little bit, I got this top bracket right here. See how it curves in? It curves into the top. And then it's held in by bolts right there. And the bottom one, it kind of slides in. The bottom one is easy. And just test it in. And then, next thing I gotta do is, I gotta remove this because this is blocking my plates right here. And there's a screw in there, I gotta tighten it up. So, I'm gonna start doing that. This is it with the bag all deflated. I'm scraping right now, and I had to remove my fender eliminator because it was rubbing on the tire. So that's that. So I got my diagram right here of how to mount the air lines to the bags, and then the power lines to the battery. So I have everything laid out. Compressor, gauge, filter, lines, wires, etc. So just a reminder, I just have everything just hand tight. Nothing's fully secure yet. And then I'm gonna install my air. It's gonna go into the filter behind the fairings. So let's do that. Alright, so I had to go to Home Depot and get some screws. This is an M6 1.0. I got a 16mm length, so it will fit into right here where my airbox needs to be. So I'm going ahead and mount it now. Alright, so I'm just wrap this around some white tape. Alright, so put this in. Okay, now I got some air lines. I got the line in. Nice. Alright, so this is what it looks like with all the wires plugged in. So I have the power lines to my relay right here, which goes to my switch right here. And then all the air lines are connected. Compressor goes through here. And then the other line from the compressor goes to my bag in there. And then this is my ground. And then the ground is supposed to be connected right here. And then there goes my bag. And then I just press the switch. It's in the center. And then to air it down, and that's my bag kit. Yeah, so in the next video, I just gotta move my kickstand to the Chimera one, which mounts right here, so it won't tip over when it's aired out all the way. And then I made another video of installing my short ramp intake, and I had another video I threw on my exhaust right here. Cool, guys. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. This video came out okay. Next time I'm probably just gonna use a tripod. So yeah, just be sure to like and subscribe.